So how much came in this shipment?
£100, West Coast finest.
Load it up.
Alright, thanks for coming in. I think that's all we need from you today.
I look forward to hearing from you.
Nice to meet you.
The number you have reached is not in service.
Hi, I'm Fiona Barker.
Fiona? Come in. Appeared 2 days after she died.
What?
Tried to tell people about her, but nobody believed me. Start happening to stuff she started a new job.
What do you mean?
Well, her Facebook status. Don't know how it worked, but just kept coming true. I know she was scared.
Well, it started happening to me too. When I was sent here, I thought that you were behind it.
She started to look into it. And it kept coming back to the company she was working for.
What company?
Cooper and Hanley.
Look, none of this is what you think, alright? Just relax.